Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths exercise 3.4. Expand the following. First question, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to the whole square. So the formula is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now what is A? A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3y, C is equal to 4z. Now you substitute 2x plus 3y plus 4z the whole square is equal to A square, that is 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 4z the whole square plus 2 into what is A? 2x into 3y b, that is plus 2 into bc, what is b? Into 3y into c is 4z plus 2 into ca 4z into 2x. Now we simplify this one. 2 2s are 4x square plus 3 3s are 9y square plus 4 4s are 16 z square plus 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 12xy plus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24 yz plus 2 4s are 8 8 2s are 16 xz is the answer. The second question, minus p plus 2q plus 3r the whole square. Now first write the formula. A square plus a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now what is A? A is equal to minus p and b is equal to 2q, c is equal to 3r. Now substitute A minus p the whole square plus 2q the whole square plus 3r the whole square plus 2 into minus p into 2q plus 2 into bc. So into 2q into 3r plus 2ca. What is c? Into 3r into a is minus p. Now minus of minus plus, so p square 2 2s are 4 q square plus 9r square minus is there. So minus into plus minus only. So 2 2s are 4 4pq and here all the one are plus. So 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. So plus 12qr and minus is here. So put minus 3 2s are 6 6pr is the answer. Now the third question is 2p plus 3, 2p minus 4, 2p minus 5. The formula is x plus a, x plus into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So according to the formula, we have to compare this one and substitute in this formula. So this is considered as x and this is considered as a, and 2p is x is equal to 2p, and what is a? 3, what is b? Minus 4, and what is c? Minus 5. Now substitute in this equation, that is equal to x cube. What is x cube? 2p the whole cube plus a 3, b minus 4 minus 5 into x squared means 2p the whole square plus ab means 3 into minus 4, so minus 12. And what is bc? Minus 4 minus 5 plus 20. And what is ca? Minus 5 into 3 minus 15. into x is 2p plus ABC. ABC means 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. So that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8p cube. Here 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 and plus minus 6 into 2 2s are 4p square and plus minus 12 plus 28, 8 minus 15 minus 7 into 2p. Here minus of minus plus only, so 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 60. So we simplify this one, 8p cube, here minus 24p square, here minus 14p plus 60 is the answer. Can you understand, students? The next question, expand the following. Fourth sum, 3a plus 1 into 3a minus 2 into 3a plus 4. So let us compare to this formula. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So what is x here? 3a. What is a? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 4. Now you substitute in this formula. X cube means 3a the whole cube plus 1 minus 2 plus 4 into 3a the whole square plus what is ab? ab means you have to multiply a into b. So my 1 into minus 2 minus 2 and bc minus 2 into 4 that is minus 8 and ca 4 into 1 plus 4 into x so 3a plus abc so 1 into minus 2 into 4 so that is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27a cube, here minus 1 plus 3. So 3 3s are 9. Here already 1 3 is there because 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 3. And here into 9a squared. And here plus minus 2 minus 10. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 6 into 3a and minus 8. So that is equal to 27a cube plus 27a squared minus 18a minus 8 is the answer. The second question, find coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x and constant term. Using the identity, we have to find out this coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x and constant term. First question, x plus 5 into x plus 6 into x plus 7. What is the formula algebraic identity? That is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. What is coefficient of x squared? That is a plus b plus c. So coefficient of x squared is equal to a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c means what is a? 5, b 6, c 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7. So that is equal to 13, 18. So what is coefficient of x squared? 18. And coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x is ab plus bc plus ca. So that is equal to, what is AB? AB is equal to 5 into 6. So 30. BC 6 7s are 42. CA 7 5s are 35. So that is equal to 7, 10, 107. That is 107. Coefficient of x is equal to 107. What is the constant term? Constant term is equal to ABC. So that is equal to 5 into 6 into 7. So that is equal to 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7, 210. So what is the constant term? 210 is the constant term. According to the algebraic identity, we have to find out like this. Coefficient of x squared is equal to a plus b plus c. Coefficient of x is equal to ab plus bc plus ca, and constant term is equal to abc. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sums in the next class. Thank you.